Hello guys and welcome to my Python YouTube channel DESI ASTRO. So in this Python tutorial I am going to teach you about boxplot and how to code it using Python Matplotlib library. So first we'll see what is boxplot and its properties. So boxplot something look like this plot. You can see that there are boxes, green boxes and like red caps, and there's an arrow in the between them. So a box plot is like it gives you the summary of your data points, like it shows median, it shows it's like minimum value, maximum value, then first quartile 25%, third quartile 75%, and if there are outliers it also shows them. So this plot is also known as whisker plot. So you can see here like there is like your whole data range, like first quartile is like lower Q1, then median is Q2, and third is your above 75%. So this is your inter quartile range and it is Q3 minus Q1. So basically it shows the summary of your data points from maximum to minimum to its median, mean, and if there are outliers too. So let's plot it. Okay, so first we'll import some libraries. So import libraries. So import numpy first, numpy as np, and then import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, so this will take care of your array and this will take care of your plotting. Now give data points, give data sets. Okay, so you can give say x equal to, you can give np dot linear space, and you can give data from 1 to 100, and say you can give say 10 data points. Now what we'll do, I will do some plotting using boxplot. So plot box. So for that type command plt dot boxplot and say give your x. Now give for showing plt dot show. Now run it. Okay, so here you can see that there is your plot, and this like whole box represents your Q, your 75% to 25%, right? Means so this is like your first, this is your third, this is your minimum, this is your maximum data points, and this line shows the middle line. This okay. Okay, so now suppose I want to change my x, say x equal to, I want to give, let's comment it and give here say x equal to 1 2 3 4 and give them 50. So let's see, you can see that your data point 50 is like outliers, so it will be plotted separately from your box plot. So this way you can also do. Now this is our usual plot. Now suppose you want to plot more than one plotting. So how to do? For that just define y equal to, or maybe you can give say you can add x plus can add np dot linear space. You can give some 1 to 200 and give 50 data points. Similarly, you can give z np dot linear space 1 to 300 and then 60 data points. You can give fourth one np dot, or maybe fourth one you can give x plus y. X plus y, z, and then give z1. Now plot it. So what to do for plotting together? Just defined your data equal to n. Just put it x y, z and z1 array. Now give your data. Now run it. 1050, what is it? You cannot match it. So because they like unequal in number, so 1 to say 60 and give 100 numbers. Now run it. Okay, so here is your box plot for all your x, y, z and z1. Okay, so this much you have done. You can see that this line, this orange line is like representing your median data points. This is your maximum, this is your minimum, first quartile, then second and third. Now we can customize it. So you can give label to this your box plot. So for that, just type here labels equal to, you can give say first, you can give in form of say first, then second, then third, and then you can give last one as just type it x, y, z and z1 and run it. Okay, so you can see that there is your, it has got a label on x-axis x, y, z and z1. Okay, now what else you can do? So you can also control its width. So for that, type command width and get say 0.9. See what is happening. That should be width. Okay, so it has got bigger. You can also control the 0.2. Okay, so it is getting like thin. So width you have controlled, you have given width, you have given levels. Now what else you can do? You can show your like mean. So for that, type command show means and give it boolean value true. Let's see what is that. You can see that there is your green triangle to show the mean line. Now you can also change your say cap properties. You can see that your cap is red, your cap is black. So for that, just type command cap and properties, and then give it as a dictionary, and then give say your color and give it say red. Let's see your cap has got red color. So similarly you can also give the whisker. So, whisker. You can give dictionary and then give color equal to say green. Turn it. There is a mistake. Okay, you can see that this line has become, this vertical line has become green color. You can make cyan also. Okay. Now you can also change the box properties. So for that type box properties and give dictionary, then give color and give it say red. Okay, so this way you can customize your plot, and also you can make it horizontal if you want. So for that, what to do, just type command vert and give house. See, your box plot has been plotted horizontally. So one more customization you can do. So basically it is automatically, it is like false, it is false, so it will come like that, and if you make it true it will be horizontal. So it is like true, so it is vertical, and if you make it false it will be horizontal. Now one thing, you can give a notch property. And give it a true. You can see that your box shape has been changed. I mean, like it has got a different it has got different shape. You can see that. So this way you can do one more customization. So you can see that box plot for 4 different sets of data point has been created. So I hope you got the idea that how to plot box plot and how to do some customization for this box plot. You can see like what properties it takes. You can just, so these are the property it takes. You can also give like a patch artist